Hello guys, welcome to my channel Knowledgepedia. So in this session we are going to learn about some Excel formulas, and in our Excel formulas the first formula which we are going to study is the Vlookup formula. Vlookup formula. So for this I have taken one table, simple table, that is the table with the three columns, that is product, quantity and the price, and the products we have A, B, C, D, E, just to differentiate the products. So now the scenario is that if someone is asking, can you tell me the price of the product C or the price of the product A? So how to fetch that thing if is the scenario. So in that way we are going to use and take the help of VLOOKUP to find what is the price of A particularly, or what is the price of D asked by someone. So in that case we are going to use the VLOOKUP. So for VLOOKUP the simply we are going to use the V and lookup. Through intelligence we are going to select the VLOOKUP, and here we can see that it's asking the four parameters. The first parameter is the lookup value. It means it's asking for what value you are going to look up into the table. Like for here, like we are asking, the question is that what is the price of product B. So we are going to looking into the product value. So that is the product B is the first parameter what we are going to give it, and the second is the table array. So is all these values are in which table, so that whole table we need to select it. So in this way we can select the whole table. Now after that the third parameter which is asking is the column index number. It means like the asked that field column is in which column number. Like here we have asked the price of the product, so the price is in the third column from product 1, quantity second, and price is the third column. So we are going to provide the third number here. Sorry guys. So here we are going to provide the third column number, and after that the fourth option is the range lookup. Range lookup provided with the true and the false, the two values. The true is means approximate match, and false is the exact match. Here we want to find the exact price. It's not about any approximation or something. So here most of the time, or what, 100% we should go with the exact match only, that is the false option, and then close the brackets. So here the four parameters are provided to the VLOOKUPs. Now let's press enter and see what VLOOKUP gives the value to us. So it's the value what we look up give us is the 15.75. So for product B we can see the price which using the formula we look up we fetch is 15.75. Similarly in this formula if you want to see for product A, then we need to just change this parameter and select the product A, and the table array should be the same because we are dealing in the same table. Whereas this column name, if you want to check the quantity of the product A now rather than the price, if you want to go for the quantity, but here we can see the quantity is in the second column, not in the third. So here again we will going to change it to the second column, and yes, of course we want to fetch the exact match again. And now let's enter the formula. Again we got the value as 10, so we can say product A the quantity is 10. So in this way we can provide the values different what is asked by the our requirement, or what is we need in the table. In that way we can use the formula, we can change this parameters and find what we are looking for. So this was the simple VLOOKUP formula. I hope it make you somewhat understand about this VLOOKUP formula. In our next video we will come with another formula. Till then, if you like my videos, please like it and subscribe the channel. Thank you guys.